Today, the world is full of qualified specialists who are happy to solve any problem in their field of activity. To achieve maximum productivity and labor efficiency, machines, equipment, and tools are indispensable companions. I propose to consider all this with illustrative examples. Have you ever seen how markings are applied to car buttons using pad printing? After the asphalt has been laid, a roller compacts it. Then, a special blade trims the edge smoothly to make it look neater. This truck is equipped with a vacuum cleaner that easily handles any debris. This foam tends to expand greatly. You can see this in the example of a plastic bottle. This kitchen machine is designed for chopping vegetables in large quantities. This is a line for the production of powerful musical diffusers. At this stage, the worker glues the cap to protect against dust. The workers are demonstrating the machine's ability to even scatter hard and heavy stones, so it will definitely excel at its direct functions. Every couple of years, the roadside is cleared of thickets and grass to give the street a beautiful and neat look. An excavator with a broken bucket continues its work very successfully. Have you ever wondered how forged parts are given such a twisted shape? Powerful twin-shaft shredder can easily shred unwanted metal objects. This machine easily and quickly peels boiled chicken eggs in large quantities. Hot rivets are used to securely connect two metal sheets. Using a laser, the weld is quickly and evenly polished. To carefully and easily remove the old sticker from the concrete floor, it is heated with an industrial hairdryer. A powerful press forms a rectangle of aluminum cans. This equipment is designed for cutting polystyrene into small cubes. So that the pedestrian crossing is not slippery, it is made with texture. After these products have been produced, they are automatically and evenly laid out for further packaging and transportation. This heavy equipment easily bites off the excess part of a pile driven into the ground. Excavator operator accurately chops tree trunk without much effort. You are now seeing how this machine automatically winds thick copper wire onto a core for the production of inductance coils. On that day, it was so hot that the car's rubber tires were melting and sticking to the asphalt. This shredder, although small in size, is very effective at handling small debris. This tool is designed to facilitate the production of soccer balls. This lathe automatically carves wooden eggs. This is a modified racing boat. It's very fast. This guillotine is so powerful and sharp that it effortlessly handles even such a thick book. This fish has such sharp teeth and powerful jaws that it could be used as a cutting tool. First, the motor with a flywheel accelerates, and then the lamp is powered by its energy. This method of planting potatoes is interesting and original. Apparently, this worker is not producing such metal products for the first time. You can watch how a vacuum sealer works. To give the chain a more interesting look, it goes through a press. A laser beam effectively grinds down the weld seam. A huge vacuum cleaner mounted on a truck easily sucks up poplar fluff. Now you're witnessing a modern method for repairing punctured tires. A special sticky rope is used, which is inserted into the puncture hole, effectively sealing it. Synthetic fabric can be easily cut using a heated wire stretched taut. This person came up with a way to wash their hair in field conditions without assistance from others. To ensure that the soil for planting plants absorbs water better, this invention was created. Even such a heavy and massive tractor wheel can be quickly and effortlessly loaded onto a truck trailer with ingenuity. A worker hand cuts zigzag patterns on an old car tire to extend its lifespan. All you need to do is place the metal blank, and this machine shapes it into the desired form. These plastic buttons easily conceal the screws, improving the overall appearance. Trim thick branches effortlessly with a battery-powered cutting device. This machine fully automatically fills and packages water into polyethylene bags without human intervention. The manual guillotine precisely and evenly cuts the soap base for soap making. One worker prepares the mixture, while the other quickly applies it to the wall. Using a fiber laser cleaning system, the metal is being cleaned from rust and other contaminants. Using two wrenches, one placed on top of the other, you can easily loosen a rusted bolt. You are witnessing the last step of creating a 10-kilogram kettlebell. It undergoes a special process where it is coated with protective rubber. If you have a specific skill and experience, you can create various decorative geometric shapes from a simple board. First, the teeth of two boards are coated with glue, and then they are joined together. This machine allows you to cut meat into even pieces in one pass. These two farmers unexpectedly grew a huge watermelon in the greenhouse. They are now struggling to carry it as they didn't expect it to grow so large. The excavator operator made a slight mistake and dumped a bucket full of soil onto the cargo bike. However, the motorcycle successfully passed the test and continued to work.
The manufacturing process of a fiberglass helmet. This is a deep vibrator for concrete. Vibration compaction of concrete is the most efficient method for achieving perfect concrete mix.
Sometimes it rains at the stadium during competitions. In such cases, workers use a special machine that removes water in one pass. This machine quickly and tightly packs water hoses, reducing their volume when packed. The motorcycle is equipped with agricultural attachments that allow you to loosen compacted and hard soil. This tool allows you to quickly turn a soccer ball after it is stitched. This powerful hydraulic press is designed to compact metal items that are no longer needed, such as aluminum cans from beverages. This machine is designed for the final stage of spring production, where it expands them. This machine is used to give decorative and ornamental appearance to metal parts. This press is specially designed for pressing sawdust. After the metal pipes have been cut to obtain a flat metal sheet, they are straightened out. This homemade stand simplifies the process of replacing wheels with cutters. When you press the lever, the walk-behind tractor rises up. To provide reliable protection for electrical elements in any weather, they are filled with sealant. This machine quickly and evenly cuts the meat product and distributes it along the belt. Currently, you are witnessing the automated manufacturing process of automobile springs. The machine itself forms and cuts them to the required size. This machine shapes the metal tube into the desired form by bending it with precise presses. You probably didn't expect this ship to be so long. This handheld tool easily absorbs water and wrings out with a light squeeze. This machine makes work easier by quickly shredding dry leaves. Now you will see how the metal cable undergoes strength testing. The person professionally mows the grass, leaving it at a minimal height. This is a homemade combination lock made from scrap materials. The worker is removing the old film from the car, which is so tough that it doesn't come off easily. This machine easily splits even huge stones by sequentially tapping them with its teeth. The workers paint the curb accurately and efficiently with a sprayer without getting any paint on the asphalt. The process of cold pressing olive oil with a manual press. To ensure the hammer handle fits tightly, it is inserted using a hydraulic press. This machine produces fuel pellets from wood. If there are too many metal cans gathered, they need to be compressed with such a press to save space. The farmer treats the grapes to prevent them from spoiling and being eaten by insects. With this equipment, firewood is packaged not only quickly, but also attractively. Did you know that there is even a machine that peels chestnuts? The tractor drives without a driver and pulls a burning wheel that sets the hay on fire. The most reliable connection is a connection using rivets. To transform jeans and make them fashionable, they need to be rubbed with sandpaper. After the blanket is made, the worker packs it in a vacuum-sealed bag to save space. The truck is equipped with snow chains that help it go uphill. You may mistakenly think that this flashlight is so bright that it illuminates the entire street as if it were daytime. What do you think the master will now use a chainsaw to cut out of a stump? What else can be made from a stump besides such a small stool? A homemade wood splitter with an electric drive easily copes with its task. The police are testing a vehicle barrier. If a car hits the barrier, its tires will be punctured and blocked by getting tangled in the net. The worker thought that he needed to unscrew the nuts to remove the wheel, but it turned out that he had broken the plastic covers. The service station has modern equipment that can accurately diagnose car suspension faults. With just one swipe, this sharp guillotine can easily trim the edges of several thick books. Now you see how wood cat litter is produced. A bandsaw can quickly and easily cut through even such a thick layer of metal reinforcement. This manual press is designed for cold pressing of olive oil. You probably need to be a real professional to mow the grass so accurately with such a gasoline trimmer. To complete the production of the springs and obtain the finished product, the worker expands them using a special manual tool while they are still hot. If you have a crack in your car windshield, do not rush to replace it with a new one. There are tools that can be used to repair it. The bandsaw is equipped with a laser beam, which allows you to cut wooden logs more accurately. This machine allows you to cut meat into even pieces in one pass. This machine uniformly forms a metal product of a different shape from an ordinary round water pipe. People have come up with a good way to clean a dirty heating stove. Dough filled with bean paste is pressed to be shaped and baked. The crawler excavator has an electromagnetic magnet that can be used to move metal objects quickly.